Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna be showing you guys some products that I got online. I'm gonna be showing you especially this one, this laser for the face. So if you wanna see my reviews on these products, keep on watching. Yes. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we have a great video, darling. I'm gonna show you what I got online, and the first one that I'm gonna show you guys is a laser for the face. The name brand is NIRA. So I saw a few reviews of this product, and it's been cleared by the FDA, and yeah, so it's supposed to help on the fine lines, pain, professional grade wrinkle reduction, pain-free, and same technology used by dermatologists. Well, we'll see about that. So anyway, so I was watching a lot of reviews on YouTube, and so I figured, you know what, let me just order the machine and let me just let you guys know how it works for me. As you know, my plastic surgery center is not offering the injectables until the end of the summer or the beginning of the fall. So so I thought to myself, you know what, it would be a great opportunity to try something else, something that I can do at home. So it comes with this. This is the machine. I already charged it. So you charge it in here, and this is how you turn it on, the power, and it has 5 powers. So let me just read to you what it says in here. I'm gonna read you the claim. It says, as we age, our body's natural stop producing collagen that causes wrinkles and the sagging of the skin. Then the NIRA skincare laser reverses the impact of aging by warming the deeper layers of your skin, activating the skin to produce collagen like it did decades ago to give you healthy, beautiful, and useful looking skin that you deserve. The NIRA skincare laser provides lasting results, it says, to reverse the signs of aging in as little as 8 to 12 weeks. Using advanced dermatologist tested technology, NIRA holds 11 patents, is FDA clear and clinical proven to deliver dramatic lasting results in as little as 2 minutes a day without pain, redness, skin damage, or downtime. Okay, so before using this device, it's important that you read the instructions, blah, blah, blah. Okay. So, and they're recommending here, they have they send you to the website on how to use it. So, yeah, to decrease the appearance of wrinkles around the eyes. So this is mostly for the eye area here, being that the laser beam is really like very tiny. So it's the way I saw it on the video is like you just point it to the target area that you want, and then you just press the button. I'm gonna show you how. I haven't used it yet, so I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna use it first time with you guys together. Okay, so it comes with 5 different. You don't see the light because I'm outside. So anyway, so I put it on number 3. I'm more concerned in this big area here, so I'm just gonna put it in there, and then just hit. Let's see what it feels. 1, 2, 3. Oh my God, you feel the heat. Yes. And just go a little bit to the other side. You feel it. Yes. And then you say, I think when it makes that sound, it lets you know that it's not in full contact on the skin. So you have to be full contact on the skin in order for this to. Okay. You feel the heat. So what I understand this does is it heats up the underlayer of the skin. I guess it tells the cells that they need to regenerate, therefore making more collagen. And yes, you can feel that. I think number 3, it's for me to start. It's more than enough. Okay, so now I'm gonna do the other eye. It's very easy, guys, but you must be consistent with this. You have to do it at least, like, you can do it up to twice a day, but if you don't do it, you won't see results. So okay, I'm gonna go back to this wrinkle in here, and I'm gonna take before and after pictures. So I'm gonna take pictures for you guys and videos I'm gonna get you close up. So I'm gonna go back in 30 days and I'll show you the improvement, if any. And then in 60 days, I'm gonna also give you another update, because it's the only way for you to really notice the difference, if any. Oof. Oof. For some reason, this eye is more sensitive too. By the way, guys, it says on the instructions in here that when you do this treatment, you're not allowed to. It has to be on a clean, dry face, with no skincare whatsoever. It's doing its job because you feel the heat. You feel the heat goes through your skin. It's not really burning you, but you feel it. It says you can go up to two times on the same area per treatment. Okay, so now to turn it off, you just go, and it's off. So I'm gonna link everything below, guys. So I already charged this. The charger is upstairs in the bathroom, but I think, I felt the light pulsating. It's just, to me, it's like the same principle as the Kenzie machine, which, by the way, I love that machine. I got very good results. So, technology is coming. It's getting very advanced. It's getting very advanced for this kind of product at home. Okay, so this is the serum that came with the hyaluronic acid advanced serum, all three. So I'm just gonna put this. You put this after the treatment. I mean, you can get any serum that you want. This is just like, to me, it's just like whatever. But if you have any favorite serums, by all means, just use whatever you want. So okay, so let's go to the next product that I got, that I ordered. But I just wanted to show you this new mask that I got. It's amazing. The name is Vent. Breathe Safer, Breathe Stronger, Performance Filtration. So I've been doing a lot of research on like sports masks. There's not really it doesn't have any kind of filtration. It's just what it does is it trains your lungs by reducing the amount of oxygen of air that you are intaking. So therefore, you have to take deep breath. But it doesn't have any filtration, and you have to be careful because they don't tell you that when you are about to order. You have to read the fine print. That's what it says. It does not provide any kind of filtration. So I said, okay, you know what? Because I have my experiences with Amazon, so I just went to Google and I just did a search on sports mask with filtration, and this company came on the top. So it's very, I tried already, it's very soft to your skin, and it has a filter in here, and it has a vent, so you can reduce the amount of air that you are intaking. So small, okay. So you see, this is the filter here. So it comes, you open this up, you replace the filter, and then you just put it back, and then you just put this back. It goes around the ear here like this. You see? And then in here, you can control. It's very comfortable because this is like a very soft rubber, and it makes a seal in here. It's amazing. So I really highly recommend this mask. I'm gonna put all the links below. It comes in different colors and different configurations. Okay, let's see what else. I also got, pardon the camera movement, it's just that I'm filming on my patio, guys, because I wanted to have some some kind of better light and some kind of a, how you call it, a cute background. So guys, so I just want to give you an update on the creams that I ordered from my Amazon. So this retinol moisturizer from Clean, and this is the eye cream from Clean. I really do love them, especially this in here is very hydrating for my eyes. So I'm very impressed with the quality of this, and I'm very impressed with the quality of these two creams. So I'm gonna keep purchasing them, and the price point is very like it's like pennies. And my other this neck cream from the brand is La Torres. Win-win cream also, guys. I love this cream. It's very hydrating. I'm gonna put it now because I finished doing my my laser review. So now I need some skincare. So believe it or not, I've been using this also as a face cream. This was only like $7 or $8 on Amazon. And I have to say, for a cream on that price point, I'm very impressed. Okay, so I wanna let you know about Bay Harbor Beauty. I've been trying this for almost a week now, and I have to say, guys, I love this cream. The citrus mimosa, silky smooth body butter. I love it. After the shower, after shaving your legs, after shaving your chest or everything else that you shave, whatever. And the smell is so tropical, you know, and doesn't feel greasy at all. It dries down very smooth, very silky. So guys, a win-win. The Saki Enriched Moisturizer for the face, I tried it once, but I have to finish trying out this product before I can give that moisturizer a fair review. I just want to finish one product, and then I concentrate on that product, and then I'll let you know, guys, the result. But so far, this is for the citrus mimosa body butter is a win. So that's all I wanted to show you and share with you. So let me just do a quick get ready with me. I just want to do a quick get ready with me. I'm just gonna use the Laura Mercier the moisturizer. I love doing this get ready with me outdoors. You know, I think it's I'm wearing my mic in here because the last video that I did outside, the fountains overpowered the sound, so that's why I want to do this closer to my face, so you can hear me better what I'm saying. Okay, so I love this color, but I'm gonna add a little bit of Rodial's bronze glow drops. Guys, this is life changing. I love them. And less is more. And I'm gonna use their brush. You know what I've noticed, guys, that after putting the serum, this hyaluronic acid serum on my face, after putting the moisturizing cream, my skin looks flawless. I'm gonna get you closer so you can see. I'm gonna get you closer. You see? Wow. So let me just show you guys the problem areas that I want to is this in here and this in here. When I smile, you see I get all this tiny, but it's not really like what my plastic surgeon was telling me. It's not really a wrinkle. It's just the way the skin folds, you know, and in here and here. So if I could get more collagen below that part, maybe this is what I'm thinking. Maybe I can get rid of this, which, to be honest, guys, it doesn't bother me. You know, what bothers me is the deep wrinkle in here and this one here and a little bit of this in here, and that's all. Isn't that beautiful? So I'm gonna try also some of this Park Avenue Princess. Yes. And I'm just gonna put some lip gloss. So yes, guys, so that's my review of the day, and I just wanted to let you know, guys, that I'm still here. It's just that I've been busy at my salon, and I love it because it keeps me busy, it keeps me learning new techniques. I just work with a wonderful product from Kevin Murphy. It's called PhD, closing up the cuticle, and the color just stays on top of the cuticle, making it more shiny, more glossy, and the hair looks so healthy and it feels so healthy and it gives you so much shine. So I've been so impressed with that product that I've been trying it in all my clients, and so far it's a win-win. Just gonna leave it here. So if you have any questions, comments, just put them down below. Hi guys, I hope you all can see me very well. I'm just taping on my salon because I just want to show you my outfit of the day. So today, because it's kind of cool outside, I decided to wear my jean jacket over my rubber barrett shirt that I got from Nordstrom. It's a V-neck pastel green. I love it. I'm wearing my skin jeans from Levi's. Yeah! And I'm wearing my black Skechers. It's a very comfortable, guys. I can just wear them all day and I will not get tired. And I'm wearing my David Yurman pendant with my initial, my iPhone with my rainbow, how you call it, my rainbow strap. And yes, guys, so guys, I hope you all like the products that I show you today. I'm going to be giving you updates every 30 days on how my skin is doing with the laser machine, and also going to be doing reviews on other skin products that I got. So okay guys, so don't forget to subscribe to my channel, activate the bell, and also tell all your friends and family to come see me, guys. I just want my channel to grow more. Okay guys, so until the next video, guys, take care of yourself and each other, and ta-da! Yeah!